Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Two unidentified males lost their life in St. Mary car crash. Two unidentified males have passed away and a woman injured following a fatal crash in St. Mary on Friday morning. Reports from the Anota Bay police are that one of the men was driving a Toyota Mark X motor vehicle with another male on board as well as a female. The vehicle was heading towards Port Maria when the driver reportedly lost control of the car, which swung out of control on the Wagwater Bridge and plunged into the river below. The police were summoned and the injured occupants were taken to hospital. Both men were pronounced dead on arrival. The woman was treated and released. The investigation continues. Continuing the news. Daughter arrested after mother is killed in Clarendon. The 25-year-old daughter of a 61-year-old woman has been taken into custody after the mother was stabbed to death at their home in Byron Peace, Clarendon on Sunday morning. The daughter was detained after she went to the police station and reported that she had killed her mother, who lawmen have identified as Mary Abbott, the police said in a statement. Reports are that at around 2:30 p.m., the mother and the daughter were both at home when a dispute developed between them. The police said that during the argument, a knife was used to stab Abbott several times all over her body. The daughter, the police said, then went to the Frankfield police station where she reportedly informed cops of what had transpired. The police went to the scene and on their arrival the lifeless body of the female was seen lying on its back, clad in a pink blouse, a brown skirt and barefooted. The body had what appears to be multiple stab wounds to the upper body. The Frankfield police are investigating. Continuing the news. St. James police nab suspect behind killing of 5 homeless people. Detectives in St. James said that they have arrested a suspect in connection with the killing of 5 homeless people between June and August 2023. Officers said that the arrest was made on Thursday afternoon after police used forensic evidence and technological powers to make links in the case. Police Chief Major General Anthony Anderson made the revelation during an interview with the Jamaica Constabulary Force Corporate Communications Unit. Due to the good work of the St. James Police, we now have the perpetrator in custody. He is still being questioned by the police and will be charged soon, Anderson said in a statement, after adding that the Jamaica Constabulary Force has been making several breakthroughs in recent times, even in the most complex cases. The suspect, whose name is being withheld until he is charged, killed all his victims by stabbing them. More information will follow as soon as it becomes available. Continuing the news. Body of a man found on fridge. The lifeless body of a man was found lying on an old refrigerator near a gas station on Oakland Drive in St. Anne's Bay, St. Anne on Sunday morning. The body, which up to press time was still not identified, was found by a resident who summoned the police. It is reported that at around 6:30 a.m., a call was made to the St. Anne's Bay police by concerned residents. On arrival, police saw the body of a man who appeared to be in his mid-30s lying on his back on a refrigerator under an ackee tree. The police said that blood was seen coming from his right ear and also the back of his head. The body was clad in a burgundy t-shirt, blue jeans, pants and barefooted. The police investigation continues. Continuing the news. $500,000 reward for information leading to medic safe return. Millicent McCarty, the mother of missing entertainer medic, has put up a $500,000 reward for information leading to the return of her daughter, Stephanie Williams, who has been missing for over 10 days. Even 10 days after nothing is happening, the police are dragging their feet. They are calling me to ask me if anyone hear anything. I am not an investigator, McCarthy told reporters. According to the police, 29-year-old Williams was last seen wearing a black blouse, black tights and a pair of black shoes. She is of brown complexion, slim build and about 5 feet 7 inches tall. Anyone with information on her whereabouts is being urged to call 311. If the information leads to her safe return, they will have access to the $500,000 reward. McCarty, a successful entrepreneur and Christian, believes that the police should be moving with more speed and purpose in the matter. The police are saying that I must come to Kingston again. I must come as fast as I can. But to do what? They have all the information. The police are not working as fast as they should. Her phone is not giving out any signal. They haven't contacted the telecoms carrier. I know the cell phone carrier would want to assist them, but why is nothing happening? Miss McCarty said she raised 3 daughters in the church and revealed that while growing up, Medic wanted to be a nurse. Hence, she played her artist name Medic. The worried mother said that her daughter's story is cautionary tale for young ladies with aspiration in a cold secular world. She wanted to be a nurse. She wanted to be an interior decorator. I work without a father to send my 3 daughters to college. She said Medic's father met in an accident and died, and she had to raise her daughter alone. McCarty said that she won her daughter left, right, and center, especially after she did plastic surgeries to enhance her physical attributes so she could compete with other women in the shallow world of entertainment. McCarty said that she suspected that a shadow of danger was creeping over her daughter's life, and she urged her to return to the arms of God. The mother further stated that the world needs to help me look for the little girl. She doesn't deserve this. Sometimes she upset me, but I still push. I fight with them, she said, with her voice breaking into a rain of frightening anguish and tears. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to comment this in a later newscast. Woman found dead in front of yard in Clarendon. The police have commenced an investigation after a woman was found dead in front of her yard on Rosewell Road in Mapen, Clarendon on Saturday morning. The deceased has been identified by the police as 44-year-old Deborah Martin. It is reported that at around 8:30 a.m., Miss Martin's 16-year-old son stumbled upon her motionless body in front of the yard and alerted other residents who summoned the police. On the arrival of the police, it was observed that Miss Martin was lying on the grass clad in a red spaghetti strap blouse, black joggers pants, and what appears to be minor scratches on her neck. The scene was processed and Miss Martin taken to the Mapen Hospital where she was pronounced dead. The body was later transported to the morgue pending post-mortem examination. The Mapen police are investigating. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to comment this in a later newscast. Mechanic shot and succumbed to his injuries while working on a car in Clarendon. A mechanic was shot dead while working on Fogo Road in Four Parts, Clarendon on Saturday morning. He has been identified as 45-year-old Marlon Brown, who operates a garage on Fogo Road. Reports reaching Links 007 TV News indicate that at around 8:20 a.m., Brown was at his shop working on a vehicle when 2 men walked up to him and asked to borrow a piece of tool. The police said that shortly after, one of the men brandished a handgun and opened fire, hitting Brown in the left side of his head. Officers stated that they arrived on the scene to discover Brown's lifeless body lying on the ground on its back with what appears to be a gunshot wound to the left side of his head. He was taken to the hospital where he was pronounced dead and the body later removed to the morgue pending post-mortem examination. No motive has yet been established for this latest incident in Clarendon. Mena fired from Love and Hip Hop Atlanta after calling Spice the M-word. The Love and Hip Hop reality TV series franchise issued a statement on Saturday that Mena would not be part of the upcoming season of the Atlanta spin-off after she referred to co-star Spice, calling her the M-word during a recent altercation while filming. In a video capturing the heated exchange, Mena and Spice engaged in a confrontation conversation, during which the Jamaican dancehall artist informed Mena that her son did not like her. The situation escalated, with Mena flipping a table and confronting Spice. On set, personnel intervened to separate the 2 women, eventually escorting Mena outside of the building. The argument continued outside the building, where Mena referred to Spice as a blue animal and made a disturbing comment about the artist's near-death experience. In November last year, Spice revealed that she had developed sepsis after suffering damage to her hernia. The Love and Hip Hop franchise has never shied away from the hard conversation in our community. Working hand in hand with our partners, viewers will see the impact of Erica Mena's remarks play out their final episode, 3 episodes of the season, effective immediately. She will not appear in the next season of Love and Hip Hop Atlanta, the statement read. Many viewers on social media call for Erica Mena's removal from the reality TV series, stating that her comments were not just and was an instance of racism, but also colorism, as Erica Mena is a black light skinned Afro Latina, while Spice is a darker skinned black Jamaican woman. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.